What's up, netizens? I'm Jfear from LA, Dover Antipolo, and with this, I will do my first ever vlog content here on Fighty. So netizens, in this video, I will do the 10 consecutive days vlog posting challenge for a cause. So in 10 days, I will post vlogs both in WordPress and YouTube about helping my papa preparing or cooking our daily dishes in our home. I hope you like this, guys.
So guys, voice message ko na lang to kasi hindi siya masyado narinig sa video. So next kong ginawa is pinito ko na yung sibuyas, kamatis, bawang, pinapala-pala ko lang to. Next ko na ay so netizens, di ko na na-videoan, pero after kong ipito yung sibuyas, kamatis, bawang, nilagay ko na rin yung Hokkaido, then nag-add ako ng isang cup of water lang, then pinakuluan, and after that, nilagay na namin yung miswa, 3 pirasong miswa. So yun, parang ito yung magiging noodles natin. So netizens, after nyo ilagay yung miswa, then timplahan nyo na to, then add kayo ng water. Depende na lang sa inyo kung gaano karaming sabaw ang gusto ninyo para higupin. And yan, halo-halo lang, then para hindi magdikit-dikit yung miswa. Then after that, pwede yun siyang takpan, then pakuluan. And all goods na to. Kung natimplahan nyo na or sakto na sa inyo to, all goods na yan. Pwede nyo siyang kahain. Yan, guys.
So we're back, netizens. So done na yung first dish for our day 1 of vlog. This is the output. The Hokkaido no may miswa. So let's try it, guys. Masarap siya. So let's taste it na and rate it. So this is the exciting part.